In this video, I'm talking about the PTE item type, highlight incorrect words. This is in the listening section, but it contributes to your score for both listening and reading. You may get 2 or 3 of these item types in the exam. So how does it work? Well, you're given a text on the screen. It's like a big paragraph. It might be about 250 to 300 words long, somewhere around there. And you listen to a transcript of the text. A transcript means the same words that are written on the screen, except it's not a perfect transcript, what you're seeing on the screen. 4 or 5 words are actually incorrect. So what you need to do, you don't need to write down what the correct word is. There's no spelling being tested there. You don't need to write down what the correct word is. You just need to click with your mouse or cursor, click on the word that is incorrect, or the 5 words that are incorrect. You don't know which ones they'll be, but they'll be there somewhere. And the tricky part is that those incorrect words, they'll still make sense when you're reading. They still are logical with the overall meaning of the text, but actually they're not the same word as what you've heard in the audio. So you're really being tested on your ability to pay attention. Pay attention to the start of words, okay? What's the first letter that you hear in the word? That could be an important clue to help you concentrate and select those words that are incorrect. In terms of how you are scored for this item type, we have something called negative marking. Now, in PTE, negative marking, which I'll explain in a moment, only occurs with 3 item types. The first is reading, multiple choice, choose multiple answer. The second is listening, multiple choice, choose multiple answer. And the third is listening, highlight incorrect words. What happens is, for each word that you click as incorrect, that you correctly choose as incorrect, you get 1 credit point. But for every word that you click on and saying it's incorrect, if you are wrong, if it was actually correct, you lose a point. So let's say, for example, you click 3 words as incorrect and you're right, and then you select 2 more as incorrect but you're wrong, then you get 3 points minus 2 equals 1, okay? But you should be aiming for 5, of course. So you want to try and make sure that you pay careful attention to the start and the sounding of words so that you can select the words that are incorrect. Good luck.